You've been asking, so we've been busy building. Notion? Meet Lucid. It's the integration that transforms your important processes, org charts, and brainstorming sessions into a single source of truth. Just copy the URL from your Lucidchart document or Lucidspark board and paste it right into your Notion page. Once embedded, you can expand the window, scroll and zoom using your mouse or trackpad, navigate across pages with tabs, view page thumbnails with the 4 squares icon, and show notes, hotspots, or anything WebGL by clicking on the gear icon. And if a process updates or you think of something new, just click the Open with Lucidchart or Lucidspark button, ask for permission to edit in Lucid, and then make any changes you need. Every change you make in Lucid gets reflected back to your link in Notion, keeping everything up to date. So bring your team processes to your internal documentation, your org charts to your team wiki, and your brainstorms to your project briefings. With Notion and Lucid, you can keep work organized and equip everyone with the information they need, all in one place.